The Big Math Problem by Dina Gabashek. Johnny was 6 years old. He loved his first grade teacher, Mrs. Farmer. He had many friends in his class and loved to go to school. Johnny knew he loved school, but he also knew there was a problem. He didn't work through math problems like other kids. He didn't see the problems the same, or so his teacher told him, and it made no sense to him. He was pulled to the hall with another teacher to get extra help, but it really didn't seem to help either. This just made him frustrated. An example of what should happen in math. This is what math problems look like. This is what Johnny sees. As Johnny worked through some problems with a small group in the hallway, another teacher was trying to help him understand new ways to add numbers. She told him he didn't see numbers mentally like most people do. She told him he had a learning disability. The teachers were going to have a meeting with Mom and Dad about it. Johnny was nervous about what they were going to say. Johnny's parents arrived after school to meet Mrs. Farmer. She was very nice and inviting. As Mr. and Mrs. Walker listened to Mrs. Farmer, they learned that Johnny had a learning disability that the school had not yet figured out. They knew that Johnny is a smart boy, but he had difficulty remembering basic facts, was slow to performing calculations, had weak mental arithmetic skills, had a high levels of mathematics anxiety. It could be dyslexia or dyscalculia. Johnny needed tested to find out. With the new understanding that there was a problem, the teacher and parents will now work together by helping Johnny. He will have to work hard, but he will also get accommodations in school. Johnny will get extended time on tests. He will get to use manipulatives, graphic organizers, and calculators when appropriate. He will also be pulled out of class for extra help for guidance, since this is a learning disability that will need to be worked with consistently. At home, Johnny will have to work with his parents. Johnny tried really hard and worked, but in the end it wasn't enough for him to go on to second grade with his friends. Even though he was upset, he knew trying hard and asked his mom if he could have the same teacher next year. Johnny went back the next year and had Miss Farmer again and made new friends. He had a great year. While he will have dyscalculia, which is he still can't say or remember forever, he will get help and learn to study and do math.